Ready to keep your files safe and always within reach? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to install Microsoft OneDrive on your Android device. By the end of this video, you'll have OneDrive set up and ready, so you can back up photos, share docs, and access your important stuff anywhere, anytime. Let's dive in. The very first thing we need to do is get OneDrive from the Google Play Store, the safest and most reliable source for Android apps. So grab your phone and find the Play Store app. Look for that little colorful triangle icon, usually on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you're there, tap the search bar at the top and type in Microsoft OneDrive. Make sure you pick the official one from Microsoft Corporation. Sometimes you'll see lookalike apps, but stick with the genuine article for security and updates. Once you see it, go ahead and tap Install. It's a pretty lightweight app, so the download shouldn't take long. When it's ready, you'll see the button change to Open. Go ahead and tap that to launch OneDrive for the first time. Now you'll need to sign in or create a Microsoft account. Why is this important? Your Microsoft account keeps all your files tied together and lets you access your cloud storage across your phone, tablet, or even your computer. In the sign-in screen, enter the email you use with Microsoft. Maybe it's an Outlook address, Hotmail, or even something connected to your school or work. Type in your password. If you have two-step verification turned on, which I highly recommend for extra security, the app may ask you to approve the sign-in using your Authenticator app, or enter a code that gets texted or emailed to you. Don't worry if this step takes a moment, just follow the prompts and you'll be through in no time. Next up, you'll see a few setup prompts. OneDrive will ask for permission to back up your photos and videos from your camera. This is optional, but honestly, it can be a lifesaver. Think of it as having a second copy of all your memories, safe and sound in the cloud. You can tap Start Camera Upload right away if you want OneDrive to automatically save your new pictures and videos. Not ready? Tap Skip. You can always set this up later in the app settings, no stress. You'll also get a notification prompt. Allowing notifications means you'll get handy alerts when files are shared with you or if a big upload has finished, but if you prefer not to, that's perfectly fine. Adjust any of these choices later, they're not set in stone. Now, a quick tip just for Samsung users. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device like a new S24 or S25, you might already have OneDrive waiting for you. Samsung often pre-installs OneDrive as part of their partnership with Microsoft, so if you don't see it on your home screen, check for a Microsoft folder in your app drawer. If it's there but won't open, it could be disabled. To fix this, head into your phone's settings, find Apps, scroll down to OneDrive, and simply tap Enable. In just a few seconds, you'll be ready to sign in and get started, and that's it. You've just installed and set up Microsoft OneDrive on your Android device. Now your files are protected, accessible, and ready to share in a snap. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps others find these tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll do my best to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new cloud storage setup.